Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to cast on and do the flat rib stitch. Make sure I got the name right. Yes, flat rib stitch. This is what the flat rib stitch looks like. It's how it turns out. It's very stretchy. It's not real stiff. And it's puffy, I guess. I don't know. It's not super thick. As you can see, it's thinner than some of these other stitches I've got on this big hideous scarf, I call it. You can see it is really stretchy. Let me find the right card for it. Yes. And this is a pretty simple stitch to do, actually. Let me hold this up. If you want, you can pause, you can screenshot, you can copy paste, whatever, if you want to get a copy of how to do this. And of course, to follow these, here's your anchor peg, and you just follow the pattern to the end. And this is one that both ways are the exact same, which makes it a little easier. Let me set this up here. Make sure everything's in the shot. Okay, so we are at our anchor peg. We go up, we go down. So it gives it kind of a... You're hitting the top one, you're getting that one right below it. So the yarn is going back just a little bit. Alright. I've got a peg. I dropped this one and broke a peg and haven't fixed it yet. So I'm not going all the way to the end. But of course, you don't have to go to the end either. You can make it as long as you want. Now to go back, we're at this last peg. We're just going to wrap around it. And we follow that exact same path all the way to the first peg. This is what it's going to look like. Now, I like to knit off the very last peg that the yarn is on, because it kind of locks that in, and you're less likely to lose a bunch of these. So you take the bottom over the top, which I'll do both sides so you can see exactly what this cast on will look like. And one thing I like about rake stitches is there is no curling. They do not curl, which is wonderful. And you can do some really neat things with them. You can take a scarf like this, a loom like this, and do just big long panels, and do like 5-6 panels. Do each panel in a different color and a different rake stitch, and then stitch them together, and it gives you just this super cool looking blanket that nobody else is going to have. It's going to be a really unique project that you can do. Okay, so this is what your cast on looks like. And from here you just keep going. You follow that same pattern down, knit off, follow the same pattern, knit off. That's all there is to it. Alright, thank you for watching.